Hello everybody, got the phone the other way round. Did half the video and then realised that I didn't flick the thing around, so I was recording the fence opposite me. That's not important. Right, now we're in lorries now, more than we used to be in vans. And in the lorry, we have got the Webasto, I think that's how you pronounce it, night heater. And as we're coming into winter, it's coming in of use. So, as it was explained to me now, shown how to work when the superhero Daniel Garumba, transport manager, was showing me how to work the tacos, or showing me how the night heater work, I thought I'd share it with you. So, the control for the Webasto is over there. But before we get the control for the Webasto, here's the dashboard, there's the steering wheel, and as we go up we see the tacho. We also have this switch here. And what we do is we click on that switch there, and it goes red. And that means the night heater is on. So we'll get that one up and running, but you don't have to do it from the switch here. You can come over to here. Oh God, that's a bit of a trick, isn't it? Now on that, you've also got, hang on, falling over. Right, there we go. We've also got the switch here. That again will turn it on and off. And you've got that there. There's a volume, that's the heat control. That's it, like kind of cold, that's it hot. You've also got a timer. You can adjust the timer and it will then show you, you can actually set it to come on every morning. Let's just get back into place here. Let's turn it back on again. Right, you can set it to come on every morning at a certain time, which is lovely if you leave at the same time every morning. So say for example, you've got a regular run and you have to leave the yard at like 6 o'clock in the morning, set it to come on at 5:45. When you get in a warm cabin, you get a cab in the morning, be nice, warm and toasty, all your windows defrosted, all lovely, fantastic. Unfortunately for me, I don't work like that. I don't always know what time my next job is. Some mornings I might start at 4, some mornings I might start at 8, and I don't even know that. I don't know that. I don't always know that when I get back to the yard. I might find out later. And even if I did, I can't be doing with a palaver of resetting the clock. I would show you how the clock works. I don't know. It probably works like basic normal alarm clocks, but that's it. The other things I want to show you is how it works, right? So you got your heater on there, and then what we'll have is behind the seat here, these little vents. You see them? Air is currently coming out of that vent. It's not warm at the moment, but that will start to warm up. Because what it does is it burns off a little bit of the diesel in the tank to heat it up, and that'll pump that out. And that'll pump that out at regular all night long. So if you want to know whether your heater's working, get your hand in front of there, see if that turns out warm. And the other thing you want to look for is under here. You hear that noise? That's the noise from the pipe. Now this is the pipe from the heater, and warm air is coming out there because it's kind of got its exhaust fumes. So where it's burning off a little bit of the diesel, it puts the warm air into the cab, and it puts the horrible pollutants out in the atmosphere, because otherwise you'll be gassed. Well, I don't actually need the heater on right now, so what we'll do is we'll jump back in the cab like that. There we go. There's a switch. Give it a click, on and off. That tends to be the way I work it. I just flick that switch on and off when I need it. I put the bed down. If I have it for the night time, I'd click that on. I'd adjust the heat by the control up on the thing over there. I haven't actually had to use it yet because I haven't been out. Well, I have used it. I'll tell you the other thing it's handy for. If it's cold and you're parked up, rather than leaving the engine running, getting it all going all the way around, and you know, just doing all your extra diesel, just give it a little click. And that's how it works. I mean, I could show you more about the clock how it works, but I don't really know. But the long and short of it is just pressing the button. The vent where the heat comes out are behind the seat. Just check your little exhaust pipe, make sure it's working. Hope that's of use to some people. I don't know. In the meantime, still waiting to get loaded. Still have my life, so I can take care, take money.